DevOps Chef Training by Vistasparks Solutions. A Master Chef Configuration Management, Infrastructure Automation, and DevOps Practices with our comprehensive DevOps Chef Training program. Learn how to automate infrastructure provisioning, manage server configurations, enforce compliance, and streamline application deployments using the powerful Chef automation platform. This hands-on training helps professionals and organizations improve infrastructure as code, IAC, configuration management, continuous delivery, cloud automation, and DevOps efficiency across enterprise environments. Contact on mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The company provides training programs for DevOps and Chef automation. These programs are designed to help organizations master DevOps with Chef automation, configuration, and deployment at scale. The training enables automation, configuration, and deployment of infrastructure as code and accelerates adoption and reduces risk across teams. The training is tailored to an organization's specific tools, projects, and DevOps maturity level. This ensures that the organization gets the most out of its investment. The training is delivered through a combination of on-site and online labs. This allows learners to learn at their own pace and in a flexible environment that suits their needs. The training is provided by experienced professionals who understand the complexities of DevOps and Chef automation. By partnering with the company, organizations can gain the knowledge and skills needed to drive innovation and growth. Automation has become the answer to the challenge of delivering faster and with fewer errors across complex environments. Organizations must adopt automation to stay competitive in today's fast-paced business world. To achieve this, there needs to be significant changes in infrastructure, processes, and skills. The ultimate goal is to create an efficient and agile environment that allows automation to flourish. By implementing automation, organizations can significantly improve their overall performance, reduce costs, and increase customer satisfaction. The manual process of data entry is a significant bottleneck in modern IT. This process is prone to errors, which can lead to scalability issues and affect the overall performance of an organization. Manual workflows are often inconsistent, making it difficult for teams to work together effectively. As a result, deployment speeds are slowed down, resulting in costly failures and increased security risks. The lack of automation in these processes hinders productivity and efficiency. Chef automates infrastructure management, configuration, and deployment by eliminating repetitive manual tasks. Infrastructure is defined as code, which ensures consistency and repeatability across all environments. This enables efficient management of development, testing, and management processes, as well as consistent management of configuration and deployment. By defining infrastructure programmatically, organizations can streamline their operations and improve overall efficiency. Chef transforms tangled, unpredictable infrastructure into clean, version-controlled, auditable systems, giving your team confidence and control at every step. This means that your team can work more efficiently and effectively, as they have a clear understanding of what is happening in their environment. With Chef, you can ensure that your systems are reliable, secure, and maintainable. By using Chef, your team will be able to manage complex infrastructure and applications with ease, reducing the risk of errors and downtime. As a result, your organization can benefit from improved productivity, reduced costs, and enhanced overall performance. The training programs offered by Vistasparks Solutions are designed to equip learners with the skills required to succeed in the rapidly evolving field of DevOps. These programs cater to diverse needs, whether it is an individual looking to enhance their career prospects or an enterprise seeking to modernize its operations on a large scale. The training is led by industry experts who provide the most up-to-date information and practical guidance. Learners have access to a wealth of resources, including hands-on labs, real-world examples, and expert mentors who guide them throughout their learning journey. This comprehensive approach enables learners to develop the skills and confidence needed to implement DevOps successfully, both individually and as part of a team. The training programs are designed to accelerate progress, reduce risks, and help learners achieve their goals in the fast-paced world of DevOps. By partnering with Vistasparks solutions, learners can tap into a community of like-minded individuals and organizations, advancing the state-of-the-art in DevOps. Individual training is designed for those who wish to gain deep, practical knowledge in Chef and DevOps automation. This personalized approach allows learners to progress at their own pace. One-on-one guidance is provided throughout the learning process. Real-world labs offer hands-on experience, building confidence in production-like environments. Learners can learn at a pace that suits their goals, with expert instructors available at every step. Our corporate training programs are designed to meet the unique needs of each organization. Each program is tailored to address specific challenges and goals. The training is delivered through a variety of methods, including on-site and online training, as well as role-based labs and scenario-driven hands-on practice. These approaches help accelerate adoption and reduce risk associated with new technologies and processes. By working closely with our trainers, organizations can ensure seamless integration into their existing infrastructure and maximize the benefits of their investment. Teamwork makes the dream work. At Vistasparks Solutions, we foster collaborative learning environments where teams come together to solve real infrastructure challenges. This approach helps build skills that can be applied directly to the job, making our trainees more effective and efficient in their roles. By working together on real-world problems, our teams develop essential skills such as communication, problem-solving, and collaboration. These skills are invaluable in today's fast-paced digital landscape, where adaptability and teamwork are crucial for success. Our training programs are designed to help teams develop these skills, leading to better outcomes and increased productivity. By combining theoretical knowledge with practical experience, we equip our trainees with the skills they need to excel in their careers. The comprehensive chef curriculum is a structured approach to learning that takes learners on a journey from foundational concepts to advanced real-world projects. This journey covers everything needed to master chef automation, providing a complete and confident understanding of chef across all stages of the DevOps lifecycle. The modules build upon each other, allowing learners to develop a thorough knowledge of chef automation. With this curriculum, learners can gain the skills necessary to automate tasks and processes using Chef, enabling them to work efficiently and effectively within the DevOps lifecycle. By mastering Chef automation, learners can improve their overall efficiency and productivity, leading to better outcomes and results. The comprehensive Chef curriculum offers a clear path forward, guiding learners through the process of automating tasks and processes using Chef. Individual training provides personalized mastery designed for learners who want deep, practical expertise in Chef and DevOps automation at their own pace. One-on-one guidance is provided by expert instructors in real-world labs. The flexible scheduling allows learners to balance their personal commitments with learning. Learners receive personalized attention throughout the program. They gain confidence in production-like environments. Chef installation and setup is a critical component of any DevOps implementation. In this module, we will cover the essential steps for installing and setting up Chef, including configuring the Chef server and deploying it to manage your node toolchain and infrastructure. We will also explore how to bootstrap nodes and use the knife command line tool to manage resources efficiently. By the end of this module, you will have a solid understanding of how to set up and deploy Chef, allowing you to effectively manage your infrastructure and tools. Chef Basics is a fundamental concept in DevOps that provides a foundation for automating infrastructure and applications using the Chef platform. Nodes are central to the Chef ecosystem, serving as the entry point for all automated tasks. Environments allow for the organization of nodes into groups based on their shared characteristics. Cookbooks contain reusable code that can be applied across multiple nodes and environments. Recipes define specific actions to be taken by the Chef client, such as installing software or configuring networks. Resources represent the actual objects being managed, such as files, directories, and services. Through hands-on exercises, students will execute a working chef recipe on a live node, demonstrating their understanding of the key concepts and building blocks of chef automation. By mastering these basics, students will set the stage for more advanced topics in DevOps and Chef. Chef Supermarket is a collection of pre-built, tested, and validated recipes known as cookbooks, which can be easily shared and reused across different environments and projects. These cookbooks contain a set of instructions called recipes that define how to configure and manage infrastructure components such as servers, networks, and databases. By using these recipes, organizations can speed up their configuration management efforts, adopt best practices, and ensure consistency across their infrastructure. This allows them to focus on higher-level tasks, such as developing new applications and services, rather than building everything from scratch. Additionally, the use of ERB templates and attributes enables developers to create dynamic, reusable configurations that can be easily managed and updated. Overall, Chef Supermarket plays a crucial role in enabling organizations to achieve greater efficiency, scalability, and reliability in their infrastructure management. The course covers a wide range of topics including server provisioning, OS-level configuration, and integration with cloud platforms like AWS and Azure. The learning process involves real-world labs and personalized guidance, allowing students to gain practical experience in automating these processes. Students can automate server provisioning using tools like Ansible, Puppet, and Chef. They can also integrate Chef with other tools like Jenkins and Docker, expanding their skill set. Additionally, the course provides training on scheduling and executing complex multi-step orchestration workflows, which enables students to manage large-scale projects efficiently. By mastering Chef and DevOps automation, students can improve their productivity and reduce costs associated with manual labor. Individual training provides personalized mastery designed for learners who want deep, practical expertise in Chef and DevOps automation at their own pace. One-on-one guidance is provided by experienced instructors who offer real-world labs and flexible scheduling. Personalized attention is given at every step of the learning process. Hands-on exercises are used to build confidence in production-like environments. Learners can learn at a pace that fits their goals and professional commitments. Step 1. Understanding the importance of integrating our tools and technologies is crucial for achieving seamless collaboration and efficient workflow. Step 2. Focusing on real-time projects and CI/CD integration, we will focus on real-time projects and CI/CD integration to apply our knowledge in production-grade scenarios. Step 3. Deploying multi-tier applications end-to-end. We will deploy multi-tier applications end-to-end using Chef and integrate them with other popular tools like Jenkins and GitLab CD pipelines. Step 4. Completing hands-on projects on project. Our goal is to complete hands-on projects that mimic real-world enterprise environments, allowing us to gain practical experience and confidence in our abilities. The final answer is Chef enables organizations to deploy applications quickly and reliably, while also ensuring that those deployments meet certain standards of quality and security. Automating the deployment process with Chef helps organizations to reduce the time and effort required to get new applications into production, and to minimize the risk of errors or security breaches. Chef makes it possible for organizations to deliver high-quality applications quickly and efficiently, without sacrificing operational reliability. This approach is particularly useful for organizations that need to respond rapidly to changing market conditions or customer needs. By using Chef, organizations can ensure that their application delivery pipelines are seamless, continuous, and innovative. Our lifetime support ensures that you have access to our experts whenever you need them. This means that you can reach out to us at any time for guidance, advice, or simply to ask questions about our training programs. Our instructors are industry experts who bring real-world experience to the table. They have worked with numerous companies across various industries and have the knowledge and skills to teach you the latest techniques and technologies. Every module is designed to provide hands-on learning experiences that are recognized by the industry. These modules include simulations, case studies, and real-world examples that allow you to practice what you have learned. Upon completion of our training programs, you will receive certification that validates your skills. We also offer mentorship and job assistance to help you get started on your career path. Our trainers are certified DevOps practitioners who have worked with numerous companies across various industries. They provide practical labs and live projects that simulate real-world scenarios. This approach helps you gain expertise in Chef and DevOps automation, not just theoretical knowledge. Our clients come from all over the world, and they appreciate our unique approach to teaching. By partnering with us, you can ensure that your employees receive the best possible training, even if they work remotely or in different locations. Our focus is on providing comprehensive training that addresses the needs of your organization, rather than just offering generic solutions. We strive to create a supportive community where professionals can share their experiences and learn from each other. Our goal is to empower your digital future. Vistasparks Solutions offers a comprehensive program designed to equip individuals with the necessary skills to succeed in the rapidly evolving tech industry. Our expert trainers provide personalized attention and hands-on experience, allowing students to master the art of automation and cloud computing. By focusing on practical skills, we empower our students to tackle real-world challenges and achieve their goals. The program includes both theoretical foundations and real-world applications, ensuring that graduates are well prepared for the demands of the modern workplace.